I'm doing for...
hang on, we'll kick in now, eh?
Alright.
Oh, I'm not inconveniencing, am I?
Sorry?
I'm not inconveniencing...
No, not at all.
Hang on, let me say it. I'm not
I
inconveniencing
shouldn't bother, everybody knows that you're nincompoop, so it doesn't matter.
An nincompoop?
Yeah. I'm doing a neck replacement for a...
So this is the thanks I get for calling in on a Saturday and your day off?
Yeah. Well, it's just my day off. I was going to go out today, but things changed.
Well, it's easy to say you were.
I was going out, and then I didn't.
We went out.
Yeah, because of the shingles, because it was really bad today. 5 months, 6 months.
Hang on, mate.
Forever. Going on forever, that's it.
You're going to get another illness.
Well, yeah, I'll probably get this bloody flu that's going around. Hey, did you see that? That young 18-year-old girl died of it the other day.
No.
Whatever flu it is.
Must have been other complications. I'm sure an 18-year-old can't die of flu.
Yes, she did.
No, she must have been...
She was poorly badly, took him to hospital, died.
Yeah, she must have had extenuating circumstances.
Yeah, she died.
No, other than that, she...
Well, I didn't say so.
Well, you haven't got access to the medical records, have you? So, you know what I mean?
Yeah. I'm not taking too much off this today because I only fretted it 2 days ago. So I always like them to stand.
Have you seen that?
What's she doing?
It's bloody odd.
Anyway, I like these to stand for a week, so that's probably as much as I'm taking off today.
Why don't you just take more off?
No, because I don't want to, because the neck still doesn't know it's a guitar yet. Still
Well, why have you bothered doing that then?
Treat. Take a bit off in a day.
I did, eh?
Every day I take a little bit off, and then I finally shape it. It'll probably be Wednesday or Thursday when I finally shape it. A little bit a day. There's no rush.
A little bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
Is anything else going on then?
Yeah, loads. I'm just about to.
What's all that black stuff there? Like curly rat
Curly black stuff. Yeah, I've been making some new jigs.
Oh yeah.
These I'll show you.
Storing them on the floor.
In the bench.
Oh, yeah. You should spend a lot of time making stuff to make stuff.
I had to make a lot of jigs recently because a lot of mine got ruined in the fire.
Everything you make, you probably made
a jig for.
Another something else.
This'll be for when I.
In your own time, Doug. In your own time.
Yeah, when I've put the frets in those necks.
Oh yeah,
You put frets in.
That's correct.
And I always clamp them up afterwards with one of these. Right? Just clamp them down. And you press them for a day. The frets.
Yeah.
It just clamps the edges down, you see. Just the edges? Yeah.
Well,
it's quite a hard, soft wood.
Why would you want to just clamp the edges? Why couldn't you clamp the whole thing? I know you'd have to do a different one for each radius.
Well, you'd have to, yeah, because these are compound radiuses, but these will follow the radius all the way down.
Hang on.
You see?
Well,
that isn't yet, it's still flat. It'll be a compound radius like these will. Like this is. This one I've just been, this is 9.5 there.
Yeah.
15 there.
Yeah.
It goes flatter as you go up.
Yeah, I know that,
and the reason for that is because this is up this end is where you do all the bending.
Yeah.
So it stays choking out.
Yeah.
Otherwise you could just do a straight radius all the way down, which is much simpler to do.
Yeah, like an Ibanez, the Rocky guitars are more flat on.
Yeah, I mean, I've got a few of the sanding things.
You can have a lower action, can't you?
I got these years ago. I've still got the original sandpaper on. In fact, there's none on that one. That's a 7.25 Fender radius.
Yeah,
that's for sanding them down.
I was beginning to wonder.
12. That's a Gibson.
What sandpaper you could actually see? 12 what?
There's some sandpaper. Feel it.
Oh, take that back.
Yeah. And that's a 50.
I mean, it's got some sand sort of. It's kind of like glued.
Come off that.
Oh, I see, mate. No, you're right.
It's got self-adhesive.
Apologise for that. Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I will. If I'm wrong, I'll apologise.
So there you go. So that's what I made yesterday. I made those.
Very good. Is that all day?
No, I made that the other day, and then I made that one yesterday.
Very good.
For these, them for Leslie's. That one's for Leslie's. Because I realised I got the old ones out. If you look down with your camera, they're slightly bent. Now, yes, I could have planed them out.
Oh yeah.
But these are, I've used a thicker.
It's plywood. Why is it warped?
The fire. I'm sure I just mentioned it. over the fucking past 3 years I've been mentioning it, and there's the other
people
one.
will be watching this, they won't know anything about the fire, so you can't be so...
That was the Great Fire of 3 years ago.
Yeah, no, but if I say this, you say, look, this is warped, nobody is going to assume it was because of
But the reason, anyway, there is a reason I didn't plane it out.
Yeah,
Because with it being warped that way,
that's correct.
if you get a guitar neck, I had one in recently that's warped on its own, not one of mine, but it was a Fender.
It's got to be flat.
It needs to be flat or, or concave, not convex.
Yeah.
If it's only got a one-way truss rod,
Yeah.
and it was convex. It was bending back, so the notes were choking out even with strings on. So I used that to bend it back a little bit.
How? Why did you just use the... Oh, because the one-way truss rod.
One-way truss rod.
Well, so how would you normally bend it back?
Well, with my ones, I've got two-way truss rods in them. So
No, if you had a single truss rod, how could you make it go
Normally
back
take the
towards
frets
convex
out, take the frets out.
and sand it down?
Yeah, I had to take the frets out in that one anyway, the
That's
front
what you
one,
mean.
because it was so bad, and flat it out.
I didn't realise that's
But
what you had to do.
I pressed them back in with that one to make it slightly concave.
No, I didn't realise that's what you had to do if it was convex and it was only a single one-way truss rod.
Yeah, it's a complicated job with wood.
Yeah. Very good.
So there you go.
Anything else then?
Yes, I'm doing today I'm just doing a spray job on a PRS bolt neck one. I've done the neck. It's quite old, and I've left it a bit dirty because he wanted it a bit of a grubby. I've done all the frets and everything. It looked like it had been in Davy Jones's locker, that neck.
Is he a bit unkempt, this person?
Yes.
who owns
Well,
it?
no, I think he hasn't played for a couple of years. And I'm spraying this now to a sunburst for him. Nice, isn't it?
It's quite nice, yeah. It was black, wasn't it?
Sorry? No, I don't think it was. It was purpley.
Oh, that's it. No, the video I've got one video in my camera that I haven't done yet from last week, last Monday, remember? Oh, it's quite nice. I like that.
Yeah, it's coming on. So
what other colour? Are you gonna add any?
oh yeah,
colours?
it's got yellow. It's got yellow, orange, and red on so far, a hint of brown. But I don't like I'm going to mix a different brown.
I'm going to put a twinkle of black on the edge.
And just a twinkle of black on the edge, yeah. Just to make it more interesting, really. So it just really fades. But yeah, I'm doing that later on. I think we need to get the place a bit hotter. You know, Terry, you could put some of this in for me.
Don't disturb the social media viewing session.
Over with the stick. Left.
Oh, God. Now you can see why I'm so annoyed half the
Just
time.
bung your wood in and then just shut the door. Don't touch
it's what's known
anything,
as a
'cause it's hot
fire.
metal. Just push it in.
She's not very good with fire.
Alright.
Anyone thinks she's...
You're not going to make a good arsonist, are you?
Somebody probably threatened to burn her alive when she was younger, I think.
All right.
You want to see her try and light my wood-burning stove?
Yes.
So what else is going on?
Oh, nothing. That's the body for that neck I'm doing. I've just changed all the electronics for it. That's a Gibson that I've just set up. Did it all set up and fixed.
McAfee? That's why, yeah.
Oh no, I've never looked. I forgot all about that.
Christ. Oh, why?
That's all the bits I've taken off that fender body. I should really be starting on Leslie's, but I think they want me to hold fire a little bit.
Oh, it's money, yeah.
Yeah, it's always money in it. So today all I'm doing is that spray job, and I think it needs to be a bit warmer in here before I start on it.
Possibly.
Yes.
You need to, before I go, find out where this McAfee is.
It's in the house somewhere. We've been doing all that decorating and all that damp proofing. It'll be underneath all this stuff.
What have you got in that little sort of open door sort of extension thing at the back of your house now? Is that just bits of wood?
That's
And just shite?
No, it's all.
No, I mean it's just like, well, there's like a
Oh, yeah,
little
it's a lot
dog
of
cage
crap
in there.
Lots of crap in there and guinea pig food and that, but also all up the one wall. I'm air drying all the wood. Can you smell the fire burning?
That could be it, yeah, that's it, yeah.
Yeah. Unless it's Kerry's arse burning back because she's so close to the fire.
Right then, going to cinema later.
Are you getting what we can see?
3 Billboards.
What?
Some film called 3 Billboards.
Why don't you go see that musical, Barnum?
Oh,
wherever it is. The Greatest Showman.
Because I've got better things to do
Lots
than
of
watch
singing
that.
and everything in that.
Look at you, you're all cheap.
Entertaining.
How happy you're gone.
Entertainment.
Well, you go and watch that. I'll go and watch 3 Billboards and then see you after.
Yeah. I don't know what Kerry's doing, but she's messing with the fire. Not a good sign. Needs some coal in there. It needs some coal in
Just
there.
lift it
the
up.
coal's down there.
It is shut, that's how it is. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's not NASA equipment. It's not going into outer space. It's just it's a crude fire. Just like Doug is a crude owner of the fire.
So you're going to what are you going to grab a meal first and you go to the cinema?
I'm going to go and grab a meal in my house first.
Where's the cinema where you going to?
Newcastle one.
So you're in Newcastle now, why don't you just go grab a pizza in there? You can get a pizza before you go in.
I don't want a pizza. The film doesn't start for 3 hours 15 minutes.
Oh, I see. Are you going? I thought you'd be gone down the Swansea, David. That's a nice gig he's got, isn't it, with Derek Martin, all Germany?
Oh yeah, I told me about that the other week, yeah. He does all that stuff, he's been doing it each year now, hasn't he, for the last 2 or 3 years, yeah. I sort of expect it from him now, you know. Because he's always coming over and doing acoustic stuff, that Eric guy is.
Yeah.
So
I thought he used all different guitarists though, David was telling me.
yeah, a little bit, but I think he's his preferred chap, I think, in the UK. Or yeah, no, it seems to go on great. So
Yeah, it's a good gig that is.
yeah. I think he's on more money as well this time.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that'd be a good laugh.
Yes.
On the tour bus as well, so it'd probably be
Well, it's a
Oblivion,
month away, isn't it?
Oblivion City,
Yeah.
rocking and rolling.
Yeah.
I never heard of the band that they're actually with. They're doing an acoustic support slot, aren't they, for some rock?
No idea.
It's like a Swedish rock band or something like that. I think Dave knows who they are, so I'm sure he'll have a great time.
Yeah, sure will.
Yeah.
Yeah. Quite envious, really.
Well,
It's good. It's good.
well, you realise if you to do that, you'd have to leave your house every day. They wouldn't come round and pick you up off your sofa every night,
No.
ship you to the gig, then bring you back.
And
And they want you to sound check at about 5 p.m. So you'd.
it's really bad, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm just tidying at the moment so I can work on my workbench. I'm just giving Kerry bits to burn.
Thought you were giving us some money then.
No, I'm just giving her bits to burn. Stuff I don't know. Well, you got the door open. Is it starting burning yet in there?
A little bit.
Because I need to get it hot.
No, it's not.
So you have to come away from there so I can do it for you.
Right, let's end this then.
Okay.
Well, there you go. That's it.
Yes, that's it.
What are you doing later?
I don't know, I'm thinking of staying in actually. I
Yeah.
stayed in last night as well. But I don't fancy going, I don't know where there is anything to go out to. I don't know what to do. I mean, you've been the pictures, so,
Depends what's on.
eh?
Depends what's on.
Yeah. Yeah, my fire's going out here.
Oh well.
So there we go. There we go. And we're off.
Jolly good. Well then, this is becoming incredibly boring.
Yes, I know.
I'll have to edit it.
It's just a normal Saturday on. I mean, I'm not even supposed to be in here today, so what I'm going to do is just do the colours on that guitar today.
Okay.
I've got mixed the brown and
It's
the black.
5:30.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. That's about all I'm doing today. I'm not doing any. I was going to tidy up the place, but I can't be arsed.
Need tidying up really, does it?
So, well, you just about get around.
I wouldn't bother. Well, I'd either do it or don't. It's that simple, isn't it?
Yeah. I've run out of space, telling you the truth. I need to get that on the going. See that drum
Clark
stand down there?
drum
I've got
stand?
Another drum stand down there that
What's
I
it
don't
called?
use. drill stand.
Oh, drill stand.
Yeah,
is it?
that one down there.
Yeah, I thought you said-
And I've got
Oh, I see what
another
you
one
mean,
over
yeah,
there. See, I've got 3 drill
Yeah.
stands.
Yeah.
And the reason I've got 3 is when I had the fire, my drill stand, which was there,
Yeah.
completely got burnt up.
Was that a new one?
That's a new one. But before I got that, the lad up the pub gave me that one.
It's a temporary. Oh yeah, I remember that one. Yeah.
Yeah, he gave me that one, but it's you can't get a guitar body on
Yeah.
between the pole at the back
Yeah. I know what you mean.
and the drill bit.
How
And I bought that one, and it was brilliant. That one is that Shepak, but that's the same. It doesn't go enough distance.
Why did you buy it then?
Desperation. Something I hadn't thought of. I bought that first before I was given that one.
Yeah.
So I bought that one because I always thought that the distance between the drill bit and the back
It's gonna
pole
be
was the same,
Yeah.
and it isn't. I bought that one, and then that was given that one, and then Dave got me that one from a second-hand place in Leek.
Dave who?
Dave, who used to be here,
Oh yeah,
the
Dave.
boy.
Yeah.
But it came without a chuck,
Okay.
so I had to order that.
Yeah.
But it's brilliant. It's been better than the old one. My old one.
Oh yeah. So what do you use? What do you drill with that then?
Well, these kind of things.
Oh yeah.
Holes in the bodies, because it's straight through. You need, proper vertical. Anything that needs a proper vertical.
See that strat
hole.
up there? So the tremolo block hole.
All that? No,
Yeah.
that's done with a router.
So so what's the point? Surely you could have used this one then.
What?
What do you need to drill hole-wise where you need the distance between the pole and the chuck?
All them holes through the body of a Telecaster. See them? They have to go straight through vertical, don't they?
Oh, you mean like where the strings go and stuff like
Yes. Yes, exactly that.
that? Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah.
There you go. Look at that now. Karen,
Yeah.
you see that now?
Should be wincing with fear. Flames.
Yes, you'll have to get over your fear of the fire. Perhaps you were burnt as a witch in a former life.
Jesus Christ. Even I'm embarrassed filming this.
What?
I said,
Well, you're filming up my house.
no, but this is going to be the worst thing we've ever done.
All right.
I'm just watching you roll up bloody bits of cardboard. I mean, we've all got better things to do on a Saturday.
I would. Well,
People will be
careful.
bored.
You
People
should let
will
the fire go out.
people will be bored
Stood in
beyond
front of the
belief.
fire, leaving it go out.
Well, there you go then. That's,
Typical woman.
no. Worse.
Worse.
Right, Doug, say goodbye.
I'd say bye.
No, more than that.
Piss off.